how to change language in SHEIN app. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can change a language on SHEIN app, it is quite easy, so you may follow the steps. So what you may do is you may head over to SHEIN application, and once you are there, you can locate up the Me tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then once you tap on it, this opens up on your screen. So what you can do is you can just basically head over and look out for the settings app option in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And here you will be finding different settings available. So you may just head over and look out for different options available. So if you would like to change your language, it is pretty easy. For that, look out for the language option on your screen, tap on it. And then once you tap on that language option, here you will be finding different options. So you can basically look out for this option called follow the phone system, which means if your phone's language is in English, it will basically change automatically into English. But if your phone's language is anything else apart from English, it should automatically be applied to any other language apart from English. Similarly, if you would like to change it into any other language, let me head over to language. We have different options available. You can look out for those options. For example, Portuguese, tap on it, and it will basically change your language back into Portuguese that you are looking for. You can find the language being changed in SHEIN. So if you'd like to change it back into English, you can head over to the Me tab again, go to the settings, and look out for language option. And from there, look it up English, and there we go. So this is how you basically change your language in SHEIN application pretty easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will be seeing you in another video.